A school is sharing 4 care packs among 3 support rooms. The quiet room, the newcomer room, the reading corner. Each room must get at least 1 pack. How many different ways can the school share them? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Hint: each room needs at least 1. What if you hand them out first? Each room must get at least 1 pack, so hand out 1 pack to every room first. 1 for the quiet room, 1 for the newcomer room, and 1 for the reading corner. That uses 3 packs. 4 minus 3 equals 1 left over. Now we have 1 leftover pack. Where can it go? What if it goes to the quiet room? That is way 1. What if it goes to the newcomer room? That is way 2. Or it could go to the reading corner. That is way 3. So we found 3 different ways to share the packs. The answer is 3 ways. Nice spotting. Let me show you the big idea. This is the reserved seats rule. If every room must get at least 1 pack, then reserve those packs first, and only count the ways to share the extras. Look for the words, each must get at least. That is when this rule applies. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.